ZapTech would love to contribute to Six Flags Company by using our idea of Gait Biometrics. This would prevent the use of passes from people other than the owner in an amusement park. Gait Biometrics is a way of identifying individuals by the way they walk. So where is gait recognition used?
It has not been used in commercial uses yet, but it shows promises because it is not invasive.
They're also trying to make a model of it because they have not came up with an efficient one yet, so it does show a lot of promise. Okay, so how does Gait Biometrics work? It is based on video images, and it takes the video images of the way that you walk, and it looks at the joints and the angles of our movements when we walk, and then it takes a mathematical model of the angles and the joints, and then it compares it against other people on the way that they walk, and it's a way of identifying the difference between people. Okay, so as you can see in these two pictures, the points in the body are the focal points where they measure the angles and the joints of the body and the movement, which they can use to differentiate between two people. And then in here, you can also see the field of view in which a person is walking, and that's when they are assessed based on their movements. Okay, so it's important to know that there are other types of gait recognition. We did the video recognition, but this is called the radar system. And the radar system reads the gait cycle, which the gait cycle is basically the movements of our body, and it measures the focal points and the angles. And the difference between this and the video recognition is that the radar system takes a scan of our body, whereas the video camera is videoing our body instead of a scan.
And then once the data is collected, it is then compared to other samples that are collected also.
So how easy would it be to beat the system? It would be really difficult because basically you would have to change your bone structure, your height, and the way that you move. So it would be really hard to impersonate someone unless you would change your height or your bone structure, and that's pretty impossible.
There really aren't any privacy issues with gait recognition because it's not like you're giving part of you, your DNA, you're just walking, and it is the least invasive form of biometrics.
Gait recognition is not invasive because they don't need to take my fingerprint or scan my face.
Or even DNA.
The accuracy of gait recognition varies depending on the model type, so it has an average of 80 to 90% accuracy rate. And here are some examples of limitations. The angle of the camera affects the mathematical equations of your gait. If the camera's up here, you get a different equation than if the camera's down here. The speed of your walk also affects your gait. You can't walk overly slow or overly fast. Excess weight can also affect your gait. In this example, Lindsay is the excess weight on Emma.
Alright, so this is my success story, and it is fictional. Gait recognition is used in Trader Bank, and they set it up above each of the rooms into the safe, with safes in them, to help protect against robbery. And the way they do it is when they set it up, they have all the employees that are allowed in the rooms under record so they know if they're a part of the employees. And then if somebody's unauthorized or not recognized by their walking or gait recognition, then the employees are notified, or the people, security is notified, and the person will be caught and can be charged with attempted robbery, and that's how gait recognition protects against robberies. And these are our citations.